Hello, how you doing? Right back to the project. Let's go! We can do it! Or can we? We can do it! Or maybe not. No, we can! Of course we can. So it worked actually. Let me see, where is that? Canvas. That's the color and it worked. That's interesting. I wanted to experiment a little bit with you together. Let's go to the model CSS. We don't have background. What if we do background red? What it will do to it? Nothing. So wait a second. Empty. Let's try to restart it. Oh, did you see it? It was for a second it was red and then black. So WebGL dominates CSS. So it does what it wants. WebGL, I mean. Okay, it's good to know. Okay, let's try to find what would be. Let's make it salmon color. Salmon color. What is that? hash num for salmon color. Oh my, okay, will it take it or not? Interesting to know. Canvas. We're going to change that color to FF8C69. Yeah, it takes it. It takes it and it works. Okay. So it works, but I have a bad news right now, right here. We can't use this context. We need to change context. So changing context. Let's go. Context. Sorry. It's so cold out here. I caught a cold, so I will be coughing a little bit. I hope it won't bother you. If it bothers you, scream very loudly, and you can scream in comments too. Okay, canvas get context to D. We don't want that. We want different context. We want this one. Oh, actually I don't need to delete. We need WebGL. And because I want to make background of this canvas transparent, we need also alpha. It doesn't want to alpha. It doesn't want to show it to me. It wants alpha false. No, I want alpha true. We all alphas here, and we true. Okay, so fill style falls down right now, and fill rectangle is falling down. What they say interesting. Fill rectangle does not exist on type WebGL rendering context. Okay. Fill style does not exist. They don't exist there. Okay. Cool. Oi, I need to make a pause. Okay, otherwise I will be like a frog making bubbles. Just imagine this picture and go get sick. Okay, we come back. Oh, yeah, okay. I'm thinking very, I guess, loudly, or maybe quietly. It depends on the point of view. This WebGL is very particular, doesn't like to be toying around with, so it's kind of not easy to toy with this. Go here, of course there is no context. Oh yeah. Wait a second, we come back here. Instead we do extra check if return. Yeah, that's what I want. Return. If not canvas. Let's actually, it's very interesting always to look at the objects. Oh, sorry. At the start he had no good microphone, and then he got sick and always coughing into the good microphone. So he bought the good microphone just to cough into it. Okay, so car was returned. Now we will postpone this a little. Okay, it will give me error, I guess. It doesn't give me error. How about it's doesn't work here, right? And it doesn't give me errors. Yeah, it does. Okay. It's arguing about canvas. Okay, yeah, two mistakes it has. Context, fill rect. It doesn't have this one. Interesting that he arguing about fill rectangle first, although it goes second, and it then it's also fill rectangle. It doesn't argue about fill style. What? I didn't get that. What? Okay. Interesting. Okay, const pixel ratio. We're going to create DPR, device pixel ratio. Yeah, it's kind of, it becomes very clever that fulfillment of Visual Studio. Canvas width, canvas height. Yeah, but it still makes mistakes. Or maybe I'm wrong. Canvas. That's why I wanted to print out canvas. Ah, here it is. Yeah. Oh, interesting. What the will it take styles? Style. It does take style too, but it argues about it. Number is not assigned. Ah, so we can do it two different ways. Two different ways. We can do other way this too. So we can do canvas, style, no, we want width. Oh, come on. Width equals that is going to be this. Yeah, it tells me what to do. Pixels. Okay, so we can do both ways. And let's do actually with the height and comment it out just for the sake of having this. Just for the sake of having this. Oi, what the? It suggested the. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. I'm doing the same stuff here. I didn't look. It suggested this block, and I was like, we can do it the other way. But the other way actually is down here. It's not the other way. It's just different things. Sometimes you can get confused, okay? Sorry. And can get confused. Actually, let's comment this out. Set the size of the canvas taking into account the device pixel ratio. And buffer size, buffer size. And that would be CSS size. Okay. Then we do context. And if not context, we return. that we don't need no longer. That we don't need no longer. That is actually, let's comment this out. Scale the context to ensure correct drawing operations in 2D. No, 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 that's not what I wanted to do. 2D context scaling. Okay, we don't need no more. Okay, so we have if node context return. Then we're going to do context. Do we? No, I don't. Context viewport 0 canvas width, canvas height. Yes, that's what we need. Let's look at the context itself, and maybe I need to change this naming. I think it doesn't, I believe right now at the moment it doesn't relate to what I'm doing. Sorry if this sentence was ridiculous. Right now I'm debating myself about it. Context clear. Yes, we need this. Context clear. Yes, we also need this, and that would be here. Yeah, width and height. Let's see that. I don't see the, yeah, of course I don't see it. No errors. It's here actually. Canvas is here. So let's, what did we so that would be canvas with the 200 style, also 200. They don't conflict each other. Then we have, that's canvas. That canvas which was here, and then we have WebGL rendering context. Okay, so its name is okayish. It's kind of more difficult. Canvas, head canvas, blah blah blah. Drawing bar for width, drawing bar for height, drawing bar for color space with RGB, unpack color space with RGB. Sorry guys, I really got a cold. So sorry. Unpack color space. That means it has RGB plus transparency. What about if I do this? Wait a second, I need to Okay, so don't stop video. sRGB car. Let's say ultraviolet. I want to check if it works. 95. No, clear color. But I'll try anyway. I might be mistaken right now. Sorry if I'm mistaken. Don't get upset with me, please. I'm just also exploring here. So 139, and that will be 0.9, for example. Do we see anything? No, so I'm wrong. Okay. Let me take a pause here. That was a stupid mistake. I was just laughing so hard. You probably like, what this guy is doing? Punish him. Give him seppuku. Well, there will be lots of bugs, I guess. Mistakes, I guess. And I'm doing it wrong right now too, so I know this, please don't get upset. Well, it wants 0.54. Okay, let's check out which color it will give me. Yeah, it's salmon. How good I am. What if we'll be doing differently? Like that will be... It shouldn't be the same color, it's different values here will be, right? 255. 255. Interesting that I need to reload it completely. Yeah, it's not salmon. No, it's different values, of course. Either we divide by 100 or 255. I can't even say numbers. Okay. Okay. So let's do one more experiment. 0.95. 0.74. We can do this, I guess. Let's do that way too. I want to experiment right now, so I don't need to hesitate later on. And that will be 0.139. Will it take it? Will it take it from me? Actually, let's do mixed it up. And let's mix it up. Reload. It's yellow. We had here 0.54. So it took, right? But for the clarity sake, let's do it the same. And so styles won't be mixed it up. Interesting that I need to reload completely. So it's salmon, and right, let's go with this number. Yes, RGB and all this. It's still, oh yeah, we need to reload. It's barely seen. Oh, interesting, it goes off our I actually like it. I actually like it because it's anyway. It will be it will be except transparent, so we don't care about it. In reality, interesting. What if I? Sorry guys, I'm experimenting right now. You can speed up video if you want, but I'm curious right now. If we have height, which we show it up here, and we have canvas. What if? Let's do conflicting CSS and conflicting WebGL with each other, and we'll do it this way. We're going to header, and we're going to give it height for 100. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, it's totally went through. And it's so WebGL totally overcomes over CSS. And actually I don't need to reload here. Interesting. Yeah. What? Wait a second. I didn't get one thing. So it is transparent. So what the heck it's doing, interfering with? What? I actually played with this a little bit. Interesting how it will be interfering, although it's transparent, and you can see it's transparent, but it's totally interfering with the header right now. So you can see background color transparent. What if I do color? Can I do color? But I don't have any text there, so I guess it won't affect it. It doesn't. Oh. What? Oh. Wait a second. Wait a second. Position absolute. Let's remove that. We don't. I was playing with this a little. That's why. Yeah. Okay. See how it's like jumped? Because here canvas, where is that right now? It's in right place, so it's all good. Let's now do this way. Canvas, yes, canvas. What was the numbers? Actually, wait a second. Let's do this. Okay. RGBA. Okay. But because color is transparent, now we totally messed up everything. Okay, but if I do this, what? Oh, I know what to do. Let's copy that. Let's comment this out. Copy here. do 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so now what? Now it doesn't interfere, but that's not the point. What we want, we want color. It's we have to have color, otherwise there is no point. So unfortunately, index ts, no, color. What did I do? Why it's now doesn't work? Ah, okay. I got frustrated a little bit. Yes. Oh, you actually can see there is a shadow, or is it fake vision on me? I swear I can see the shadow behind it. Wait a second. Let's make it really shadow. Yes, you do can see the shadow through it. Press F for the owner. It's totally there. But we need to increase height now. Now I'm knowing it. What kind of thing is this? We increase the height. We decrease the height of the canvas. No, not 210. I don't need 210. So it's comfortably sits inside of the header. So far it's ugly. I hope I don't go for ugliness. Header CSS. Oi. Sorry guys. That's what I bought new microphone for. Like shadow a little bit more obscure. Actually. Okay, that's fine for right now. If we will get how it calls distracted at each feature, we will not go through too much. Okay, so let's go further. So now we do need to clear out right now. For right now, let's it clean. Let it be clean. So it's still here. Canvas. So we did that. We do have a return width, height. Actually, what happens if I'll remove these ones? Because why I'm thinking about it right now, because we have it here. So do we need it here? Still it's good. Yeah, because it's already there. Let's look at the canvas. Oh, it's with, I need to reload, then I can see if it's good or not. Yes, it's good. And the width, and because it's here, okay. Still have it still has them as inline. Goes. Okay, let's go further. We need to proceed, right? We can't be like stomping around, beating around that thing all the time, right? Let's do one more fix, and then I'll put the code which exists right now into GitHub, so it will be saved, because right now condition is good. We have canvas, we have context and everything, blah blah blah, except we have one error for favicon, but it's unrelated, it's easy to fix if we want to fix, but right now we don't even want to touch it. So let's do I'll do one more thing here. We call it by the standard. I was wrong with the naming. It's not that I'm wrong with the naming, it's just logically it would be better to write it like this. So let's check it again. Context is here, canvas is here, everything's good. Let's go to GitHub. Here, mystery project. Where is it? Mystery project is hiding. It's here, and it's on my right, in my right directory. And so we'll do this. Sorry, it's off screen right now. No, it's not off screen. It's a backend. What are we going to modify here? So we have consoles here. That was I touched a little bit on the test thing, but it's not true. Why it doesn't catch other changes? Maybe I already posted it. Interesting. Okay, I presume that I posted it. But we will come back to it. It's just I want to. I desperately want to do one thing, and then we'll come back to the backend. Touched. No, touched is not good word, because touch in command line means create file. I didn't create file. Light fixes. Light not fixes. It's not all changes. light changes for backend. Don't like it. Okay, so let's commit that. Push it. Accept. Close it. It was success. Now front end commit. We have lots of new files here. Canvas, header. Interesting how it thinks. Strange. Okay. Never mind. Missing. React missing. Vita missing. It's all good. Index HTML one line. What is that? I changed. Yeah. Okay. I made it obsolete. App CSS, app T6. Change it. I commented out everything, and index CSS. Well, not just commented out. I add some lines there, and index CSS also change it. Everything works. Everything good. So, what the comment will be here? Edit environment for, not for edit environment for WebGL. Push. Okay. Also there is a version control, but version control is good for the big teams. When you work on your own by yourself, it's not really needed. I would argue about that. Some people probably would argue about that we still need it. Version control, but I would argue about that I don't need version control right now, at least. Okay, so we're ready to move further. Let me take a 5 minutes break. I'll make a tea for myself, and we'll be back. For you, I'll be back in a split second. So, okay. So I made the tea. I do recording. Okay, it's recording. I made the tea. And what else? We posted into there. We posted on GitHub. Okay, good. Now we're going to draw first triangles. Let's go for it. And so it's going to be just test a little bit. Let's go for it. Here, go for const. We're going to do two. It's WebGL does two parts of drawing. First, it's vertices, and then it's their colors of vertices of triangles. It thinks in triangles. Vertex. Yep, it already knows what I want. Let's close it so it doesn't draw anything. Okay, fragment shader it also wants right away. Okay, let's fill them out. I don't know why it wanted vertex vec 4. I'm going to draw simple right now. Why it wants vec 4? I have no idea why. Void main. We're going to accept this. Okay, we're going to accept that. That would be it. Now I'm going to give it proper spacing so we don't get lost among this. Why? Vec 2. GL position. I see. I see, it just wants different way. It's just wants different way. Now 4. Yep. Cool. Just not whole numbers. Yeah, you were right, I'm sorry I interrupted you. Now let's go for here. Yes, I want exactly that. Precision medium float. Do I want medium or do I want something more precise? Let me think through this. There's medium, precision. Okay, for floats. Medium precision for floats. Choices. It's just here. It's just here. Medium P. Like that. Then I'm going to do main. Yes, it tells me main. Okay, let's do accept that. red. It won't work right now because it's not used yet, but I will reload it so we don't have any mistakes. Function create shader. So it's expects GL rendering context. It expects type, and it expects source. What it gives away? WebGL shader or no? I need to open the window. It's very now it's here. It doesn't like my it doesn't like my function. I'm going to cry. Why? Is defined but never used, is never read. Is defined but never used, never read. It's okay. Whose declared type is neither undefined void nor any must return a value. Yes, it will return a value. Don't worry about it. Relax. Create shader is defined but never used. It's never read. That's okay. And GL is never read, never used. Okay. Let's return a value right away. Let's return null right now. Are you satisfied? Yes, it does satisfied. It is, I'm sorry, it is satisfied. Okay. Reload. So it's all good now, clean. Always good. That will return a shader. Sorry, I'm thinking. I'm thinking. Sorry. Oh my god, okay. It's always ahead of me. So what it propose? It's propose shader, create shader type. It's all good. If not shader, return null. Okay, yes, I agree to that. GL cells shader source. Wait a second, what you want for me? Wait second with your shader. Shader source, GL shader source. It's communicating between JavaScript and WebGL. Just telling you what we are doing right now. Shader source, shader, that's a source, that's a shader. Okay. Compile shader, yes, it wants me compile shader. Then it wants to do something else. What? I do it differently, so I do it differently, but it's actually a good way. Okay, success, never used. Actually, success, what type is that? Give me the type. Boolean, okay. Success, shader, shader also should be typed. It's a TypeScript thing. Can't just do without types. That's all good. That feels good. That feels good. That's good. Now, if check compile status, no, we need to not if success. We need to no. We need to return the error if not success. So I will accept it right now, but I will remove this because we already returning. I know why it's thinking this way, because I put it here. No, but let's do shader here. It's like, are you stupid? Yeah, it does. Look, it's like, are you stupid? You already returning shader if success. Return no, please. But what if I say if not success? Will it do something interesting? No, okay. But we do that. We do console. Yes, we want console. And actually we delete shader. Oh my goodness. No, I want to catch you. Accept. Delete the shader. It's right. But also we want to throw new error. Not console.error. Throw new error. So then we don't return. So then we don't need this null. We always return the shader. If we don't return the shader, if it's mistake, we delete the shader and we throw a new error. And so that the function will end up being destroyed. So it's all good. We return null here. if no shader. Okay, okay, you're right, I guess. Okay, no, no. Now it's happy. Unbelievable. Can you imagine talking to Visual Studio? Or about it? Now that we created shader, we need to create the program function. Thank you. Create the program, and now it fails, right? Yep. Because it's not closed. But not only that. But not only that. No, only that. Wow. Okay. Only that. Only that. La 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 la. WebGL context. WebGL shader. Fragment shader. We return WebGL program. Oh no, that's alright. Program, WebGL program. Oh, look at that. I corrected it here, so it started to give me what I want here. Jeez, it's getting clever and clever. More clever and more clever. A program, WebGL program. GL create program. That's right. If not program return null, I agree to that. And actually this is also GL touch shader. Yes. Program fragment shader. Yes. Program. Yes. Link program attach shader. Attach shader. Get program parameter. Program JS GL link status. Okay. Okay. That's boolean. If not success, then we do what we did here. Program failed to link. Get program info log. Delete program and throw a new error. And if successful, we return the program. It's all good. Oh my gosh. That's all good. Okay, so that's two helpers. Once create shader and once create program. Okay. And that was a minute of silence. Now, after that, let me explain for the if you don't know about WebGL, or maybe repeat some annoying information if you know WebGL. Okay, so we're going to do this. Where is my paint? paint. So WebGL, it's a canvas like that. It has y-axis and x-axis. So when we put numbers 0, 0, it's right 0 0.0, 0 0.0. It's here. If we say 1 plus 1, 1.0, 1.0, and that's point here, and so on. So that will be x, 1.0 minus 1.0. So 1, it's very difficult to write in the paint. 1, 1, 1 minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. It's so difficult to write in the paint. And here is 1 and minus 1. So any number in between is starting from 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, that will lead to here, and any numbers here, they will lead to outside here, and so that's how you construct triangles. You have vertices which connect to each other, and so that's how you construct triangles. Okay, that's theory. Let me do one thing. So what I want to do is to move these functions, at least these two functions, outside of our canvas, somewhere here. So let me do it very quick, and I'll come back. So I don't, that's just minor operation, you don't need to watch it or see it or listen to it. So let me do it very fast. I move them here, so we will be staying focused in this T6 file. So that's import here, and GL helpers file is this one here. So export, 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 all named exports, and so we can keep on going. Yeah, create shaders. Okay, what it wants. What it wants to do: vertex shader, fragment shader, create shader. That's our functions. Create shader, create shader, create shader. It's all standard. Vertex shader, fragment shader, all standard. Vertex shader source, fragment shader source, that's the ones. So that looks right. If we don't have them, we're going to return that feels good. So what else he propose? What? Oh, it proposed to me to remove my commented no, I don't want to remove commented code. Okay, const program create program. Now we're creating program. That's one, create program from vertex shader and fragment shader with GL. If not program, we return. It's all good. Now I just need types, please. So I don't need to go to documentation. Thank you. And the shader, no. Okay. What? Why you giving me and then you taking it away from me? What is going on? Okay, web program. Okay, no. What the heck? Why you taking it away from me? You give it to me, then why you taking it away from me? Web GL program. Why does that? Oh no. Why doesn't like it now? It's part of WebGL and this combination of the component consistent vertex shading and fragmentation. Yeah, right. So I'm confused. Okay. I was confused for a second. I used to use or like this, but in TypeScript or sometimes like that. Except when you do it here, you have to do this like that. That's two here. So it's small things. Program return. If we don't have program, now if we have program, then we're going to GL use program, yeah. Except use program, what it propose, look up where the vertex data needs to go. A position, what? Position attribute location. No, I have in mind a little bit easier, simpler approach. Why you want to it will be later. It will be later. What about if I go here? Will it give me problems? It won't give me problems. Okay. We're going to do not buffer yet. Geometry setup. It wants to go its own ways. I'm not sure if my ways are right, but we'll go for right now my way. We're going to do const vertices. Yeah, now it accepts it. Yeah, it accepts it. Now we're going to close it. Close it, please. Position buffer, WebGL buffer, position buffer. Create buffer, yes. Bind buffer, yes. Bind buffer data, yes. Okay, I'm going to accept it. So far it's doing very good. We're going to different. No. Because it's triangle, it must be. If we want to create multiple triangles, we want to use multiple triples. So each triangle takes 3 coordinates, and next triangle will take 3 coordinates, like that. But we're going to create one only right now. Only one, and we're going to make it a little bit smaller and in different location. Different location, a little bit smaller. We can leave it like, right? We can leave it for right now. And then we can experiment with this. Just for like 5 seconds, not for too long time. Array buffer, that's right. Position buffer, that's right. Array buffer, vertices, static draw. Surprise me. Does want to surprise me. Okay. Yeah, of course it doesn't. We didn't draw yet. Oh my. WebGL is quite difficult. It helps me. Don't make me wrong. It helps me, but it's still difficult program to work with. Position, location, attribute location, number. Okay, get attribute location. Yeah, that's right. That's what we want to do. GL enable vertex attribute pointer. Yes. All of that, yes. Now let's do some comments to this. Enable attribute. Yeah, attribute, yes. Accept attribute. Do you want to help me here? Create buffer and upload data. Okay. So now. And that's the final command. Draw erase triangles. Triangles 0 to 3. Yep, 0 from 0 to 3 vertices. Let's see what we see. I'm scared right now. It's a red. It's a red. Well, at least we, yeah, it's, you see, its coordinates is -1 on x-axis, 0, what? It surprised me right now. No, my goodness, -1, -1. I was like, somehow I look at this, completely ignore this. So -1, -1, -1 here. Then it's 1, -1, and then it's -1 and 1. So what if we go to the helper and do this one? That number is how far object is that's supposed to mean. And actually, oh, it's a color. My goodness, it's a color. It's a color. That's not, I'm wrong right now. I'm sorry. That's why we have red. We can play with color right now. Let's do colorless. Oh, I mean black. Color. 0, 0, 0. It's a black. It's a black. Let's do white. White. Yes. But we will not do comments right now. I guess it proposed to me. White. It should disappear. It should disappear. Yes, it disappeared now. Something. Let's do blue. Blue color. Blue color. It should be blue. Green. Oh my goodness, I am mistaken. I'm sorry. RGB. Blue. Last one. I was thinking about different thing. Blue. Yes. So it's all good. We will leave. I like blue. Let's leave blue. Let's do it's transparent. Transparent. And actually, let's do one thing. What it's called? My window. No, it's window. I opened it on in the kitchen. That's why it's getting cold. Ooh. If I'm starting doing these sounds, that means I'm very cold and I'm shaking. Canvas. Height. Let's do 40 rem. крокодилы, бегемоты. Что там? Крокодилы, бегемоты. I forgot this song. It's from the childhood. Okay, so let's return it to 1. I don't. Let's go here. Let's go. Yeah. Header. Height 400. Yes. And we can see the shadow through it. So it is transparent. And it doesn't interfere too much, which is good to know. It just goes. It's just still WebGL dominates. Well, because it's a child, so in a DOM, it's on the top of the header. That's cool. Nice to know. Maybe you don't see it because I see it. Let's, for a second, let's do it very, very dark. Now you can see it. It's actually the color also kind of mixed in, which is cool. Okay, nice to know that. Now GL helpers, we're going to do it 1.0 blue color. Yes, blue color. Give me this command. Blue color. Okay, so now we're going to back to header. We'll give it 200 pixels back. Interesting, now it doesn't need to reload. What the heck is going on? Sometimes it needs to be reloaded, sometimes it doesn't need to be reloaded. Interesting. What the heck? And my computer is like screaming with its vents. It's like save me, I'm getting hot here. Okay, so one more thing I wanted to play with. Two more things I wanted to play with. And you can speed up the video, but it's very interesting for me to play with. I'm going to go, I'm here actually, and we'll do this number. It's perspective 2. It's supposed to make this triangle further away from us, and now it doesn't redraw. Okay, yes, you see how it gets further away from us. Now let's do it like crazy number 100. We'll be able to see it or not? We don't see it anymore. I guess it's far away from us. 50. I don't know if you see it. I see that triangled dot. I can see triangled dot. Okay, let's do 25. Perspective 25. Now it needs to reload. It doesn't move too much, huh? Let's do 20. Doesn't move too much. Let's do 10. I'm scared right now. I don't know for what, but I'm scared. It's coming further. Let's do 5. Okay. 3, 2, 1. 2 and 1. Now 0.5. It moved. It's just we can see it. But I swear it moved. We just won't see it because it goes beyond our canvas. So it's like that and goes beyond the canvas and so on. Also here here we have several options. And they are, and I looked it up, so it's not that I know that, but I looked it up. I'm not going to write down points. Why it's okay, I see. No, let's do this way. Points. That's, here we go. Lines, strip, triangles, strip, triangle fun. No, point is a point. Let's accept it first. Lines is a lines. Line strip. That's when lines connected to each other and they well, they are connected to each other. There is I don't know why it didn't show that line loop, when lines connected to each other and they create loop. Lines loop. Triangles, that's what we're using. Triangle strip. That's triangles connected to each other. And triangles fun. They say it's triangles radiating from first vertex. It's like they forming the round. So that would be the choices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 choices. Okay, let's go further. I wanted to play with one more. I wanted to play with coordinates. Let's go with that. Oh, 0.5. 0.5. We'll make it a little smaller. I need to. Okay, yeah, sure. I forgot to helpers. I forgot to bring this back number. Now it's going to be different shape. We can do them different shapes. Triangles. Okay. So that's what I'm doing right now. Let's say we want this vertex, which is the last one, be on the right side. Then we're going to do like 0.6 and 0.6. Am I right or am I wrong? Yeah, I was right. 0.6, and so we can do them like this. Let's do this. So 0.3 and that 0.3 to 0.3. Too small, right? Let's go for 0.6 also. 0.6. Sometimes it needs to be reloaded, sometimes it doesn't need to be reloaded. Interesting. So, like that. Let's go further. But before to move on, let me adjust two things. Oof. Okay, where is that? Where is that? This one. I'm going to go to 0.8 or 0.9. Giving it right color. 1.0 and 1.0. Okay. Now and I wanted to where is this? 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 That one word is too wordy, too much. It's too big, too long. I don't know how to say it. I don't like it. So I'm going to. It's understandable. It's already attribute. So I'm going to remove this. And I don't think I have it anywhere else. Why does it want to correct it? What? Come on. Okay, let's reload it so to make sure it works. Yes, it works. So let's go further. Now we'll do rules. No, it's not the end of the helpers. Rules. Export. Now it will be lost because it doesn't know what I want to do. Function is power of 2. No, it's not power of 2, not power of many. That's going to be create perspective. Just create perspective. What it wants? Create perspective. It's right word. Field of view. Aspect. Near and far. Oh my god! Sometimes it's scary. One word and it knows what I want to do. Okay, accept. F1.0 math fan field of view. Mass tangent field of view. Near far. Yeah. Okay. Except this, I don't like that. Again, lengthy word field of view. And that field of view, that's enough. It's understandable anyway. Aspect, we good. Float array. Yes. Range 1 divided by name minus far. What we're going to return? That's exactly what we want. Return, because it's already set to be returned here. That's going to be matrix. Here, there, here, and let's close it actually. Except, so it doesn't give me error. So it doesn't give me an error. We're going to be doing F. Yes. 0 F. 0 0 0 0 near plus far. Multiply range in minus 1 0 0 near far range 2 0 here. It's right. That was right. Please come back. I forgot to accept. Accept. Expect. Okay, that looks right. I'm thinking, sorry, I set it on pause. Export. It suggests create translation matrix. That's not what I want right now. I don't know. Okay. Function. Create identity. Without that word matrix, it's understandable, it's already matrix. So it suggests float, yes, and that's identity. Yes. Return new float array. That return new float array, that's export. Named export. Okay, that's good. That's our 2 extra helper functions.